All right, today we're leaving for a 2-week trip through the Sea of Cortez from Loreto, Mexico, down all the way to Puerto Vallarta. Not sure where we're stopping, but check it out.
Hi everyone, and welcome aboard. We are Pat, Alexa, and Gilligan the Fat Boat Cat. We've lived aboard full-time on Nordhavns for the past 9 years. We recently spent the last 6 months exploring the Sea of Cortez on our 57-foot Nordhavn, Noeta. And now it's time for us to head to Mexico's mainland. Today we make our first jump south, travel with a super pod of dolphins, and catch a pufferfish? Check it out. Hey guys, quick interruption on today's video. Somewhere in the last couple of months, our YouTube algorithm's gotten all messed up. We're not getting views and we're not getting the likes that we usually were last year. Maybe we've changed something and you guys can let us know what it is in the comments, but the best thing you can do is go ahead and hit that like button. I know it seems little, but it actually matters. It actually helps the algorithm share our videos with other people. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. It just, again, it helps us know that what we're sending you guys is a little bit helpful. And if we've changed something and you don't like it, also let us know in the comments. We're always experimenting, so we never know what works. Okay, back to your regular program.
All right, so last minute items this morning: get the trash off the boat, fill the water up, make sure we know where the cat is. We got to get our hose and things off the dock. We're filling up the water tanks so they're all full. Went and tipped all the dock staff because they have been amazing, and that is a really nice gesture when you're on your way out. So yeah, we got to remember to get our little mat that we leave on the dock, and anything else that we've left on the dock. We'll do one final check, but we're gonna leave Marina Puerto Escondido, where it's been absolutely amazing. We've been here 6 months, in and out of here as we've explored the Sea of Cortez, and we're very sad to leave, but we're just heading from one paradise to another one. Can't forget to take all our stuff with us.
All our toys.
All our toys. Let's do this.
Yeah, I can hear you. Hearing you.
Oh, he gave us a thumbs up? All right, we're good to go. Been cleared by the marine folks. Here she goes.
Sad.
Bye, Marina Puerto Escondido. We'll be back.
I can stand up.
No,
She towers over me.
I wouldn't want you to do
in
that.
many ways.
Oh my gosh. We are on the road.
Oh, it's kind of sad, melancholy. That's a fancy word for a pilot, right? No, it's just, we've really enjoyed it up here. And I mean, all of it. 20 minutes, we're in an anchorage. It's just stunning.
We've been off the dock so much in the last 6 months, and that's what we want to be doing. And we didn't do nearly as many projects as we're about to go do in the next 6 months.
Yeah.
So here's the plan. We're leaving the Marina Puerto Escondido, Loreto area, heading through the Sea of Cortez for the next few weeks. At one point, we'll cross from the Baja side to the mainland around like La Paz area.
Yeah, La
Los
Paz
Muertos.
area. There's a couple anchorages we'll leave from.
Yeah, and
depending
then
on
we'll cross over to Mazatlan And then from Mazatlan, we'll kind of continue to bounce our way south.
2-day hops to La Cruz.
From Mazatlan, yeah. So, but we're going to take our time doing that. We're not quite done with all this anchoring. And while we are a little melancholy, as he says, we also have to know we're going to Puerto Vallarta.
Yeah.
We love it there. We love the people there. It's going to be hot and humid. We know that.
There's so much good food.
God. I think people would be like, oh, it's not, you don't have it so rough there, Patrick. It's okay. You still live on a boat in Mexico. So we're looking forward to the next couple weeks. We will keep you updated. We are talking about maybe doing daily lives. We'll see. Maybe we'll start today. I don't know. So maybe you will have seen some by the time you get this actual video. But we will keep you posted along the way as we do this journey. It'll be nice not to be prepping the boat. We've been prepping the boat and thinking about leaving for weeks now.
Yeah.
So let's just go and enjoy it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there is a mega pod of dolphins over here. I don't know if we're going to catch any. Maybe fish over there too. There's a couple kind of local dinghy pungas over there. I'm hoping we get them here. Let's see. They're coming! We're gonna get so many, they're jumping everywhere. There's hundreds of dolphins headed our way. They are right on the bow. This is so exciting, and I hope they turn and ride with us. I mean, it's a super pod there, but there's a couple dinghies swimming with them too. Come on, kids, come play. Ah, here they go. Oh my gosh, so many. There are so many. Hi, everybody. There was at least 100 dolphins in that pod. That was so cool. Oh, fun. They came to say goodbye to us, bid us farewell. I think we are. I think we're live. So we want to say welcome. We're going to give this a try. We've got about 2 weeks where we're going to voyage from the Loreto, Baja, Mexico area down to the Puerto Vallarta area. We don't have any solid plans yet. We're just going to do a few hours at a
Our
time.
solid plan is a haul out on June 8th.
Well, yeah, we do have to get there for that.
That's a solid plan.
Exactly. So, but as we do this, we want to give you guys updates along the way as we go. So what are we doing right now? What's our speed, Pat?
We're doing 8.9 knots.
Okay.
Burning about 5 gallons an hour. Yeah,
And the
about
water is flat, calm
Yeah.
out here. Look at this, you guys. It's just beautiful out there. So we are about halfway down the Baja of Mexico in the Sea of Cortez. Nice, hardly any wind conditions. The water is 528 feet deep right here where we are.
Yeah.
So we've got, how long are we going to cruise today?
Today is about a little over 4 hours.
Okay, 4 hours, and we're heading around
We're
a
gonna-
spot called
Agua Verde.
Agua Verde. Nice short trip, and then, but we have time, so we have no exact set plans. We'll make our way down there. So anyway, this is a first. This is kind of a test. We're going to keep it kind of short. We do have a live tonight with our VIP members at 5 o'clock. If you're not a member and you want to join, check out our members page, and that's a Q&A session with those guys. We'll see you on the other side.
That's pretty good. I think if we kind of go to our starboard a little bit, that'd be all right. I think our beach over there is like,
Looks like we're heading right in there. Turquoise waters up there. Awesome. It's a little town over here. Agua Verde. You're live.
hello there. So I came down here because the PC has an old track coming in here, so we can see, or I can see a little better where we're going. And there's like a reef right over here, big rock and a reef sticking out, so definitely don't want to cut that. So just kind of poking along here. We stayed here before. It's a pretty cool little bay. Question is, tomorrow night, if we stay here tomorrow, there's supposed to be a little bit of a, I don't know, I call them a willowa. So wind's coming off the mountains tomorrow. Chat, chat, chat. Yeah, it does. Oh, Alexa. She's talking dirty to me now. She's talking dirty to me now. It's kind of amazing. Now she's looking at me like, what are you saying to that camera? 21:20. We're just a hair past it right now, but I am ready. Well, we'll swing around a little bit, but yeah. All right, I just brought the wing down. Gonna let it idle for a minute. We've got about 100 feet of chain out. We're in about 18, 20 feet of water. So it's 5-to-1. We like this little bay. We'll just sit here and hang out.
Hey, hi.
So look at the difference in the charts. I don't know if you guys can see, but the Furuno, I don't know if these are C-map, and then the Navionics up here. It's like huge difference.
Says we're on land.
Yeah, but then you look at the Navionics.
We're in the middle.
Yeah,
So Navionics wins today
yeah.
because we're definitely not on land right now. This is where we are. Gonna have to get in this water, I think.
All right, I'm gonna go pin. I'm gonna go pin the stabilizers.
Hitting the stabilizers. Right. Turn these off. I did charge them for the first time this week. 25 uses or whatever. They're good for 12 hours, they say. We got at least that. I did charge them though. So now they're both at high. So yeah, but I'm gonna put them away. We're done. All right, we anchored safely. It's time for shots. Here you go, babe. I mean, look at this out here. It's beautiful. Whoops, I blocked you. Okay. What? I should have what?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say I should have. Salud.
Salute.
To Poseidon. All right, now I'm gonna put some of that in lemonade
Oh.
and make it an afternoon
Oh.
cocktail. It's beautiful out here. You can see the bottom. And what's the water temp, babe?
78.
78. It hasn't been that warm in quite a while.
78 degrees. Yeah. See the bottom. I was up looking. You could see the chain on the bottom going out. Yeah. We like these anchorages.
Time to get out the snorkel gear
Yeah.
and go check out the water.
Yeah.
Hey, what you doing?
Feels really good.
Does it? All right, I'm gonna join you.
Salty.
Salty? Weird. So weird. Catch Pat.
Look at the water.
Oh, shit. Oh, Puffer, I'm so sorry. You need some pliers, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get... Oh, I'm so sorry. Going to get pliers. Where's the pliers?
Well, here, you go take care of yourself.
Oh. Sorry, buddy. It's okay.
I really don't want
No,
to
don't
touch him.
Oh, swim away.
You will.
Swim away, buddy. He's alive. He's being dramatic right now. So dramatic.
Watch out for
He's squirting at us. That's what he thinks about us. I'm so sorry. He's spitting at us. Swim away. You're fine. Next time, don't go after that lure. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, bye. He's out. What's that?
Not much in this water.
No more puffer fish?
No more puppies.
Yeah, but look where you're fishing. Could be worse. Kind of like you're starting a fire on my boat.
What?
Like you're starting a fire on my boat.
Fuck me. It's fire.
A little smoky this
Now
evening.
it's smoky.
Lovely night at anchor, even if it is smoky.
But,
All right, it's pretty. Look at that.
wow.
I know, you're making a little smoky with that barbecue. So we came in and anchored, and we had this whole bay to ourselves.
And then
Look at this. I can't
we
even.
got overrun.
Like right there, and right there, and I'm like, we were all by ourselves. We had a good thing, and they knew it. And so, I mean, this guy right here, this one, he's ridiculously close. But see what Pat's starting fires. Are we safe? Do I need a fire extinguisher?
I don't know. I'm having a tough time. Grilling buns.
He's grilling buns for the burgers, or he's charring them. We'll see what happens.
Oh, here we go.
Patrolling the perimeter, keeping us safe from all those sailboats that anchored way too close. Right? What are they doing in your backyard?
That's as far as our journey takes us today. Be sure to check the next episode as we head further south on our Baja adventure and do our best to leave the pufferfish alone. Don't forget to hit that like button.